Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Decor. In case you are joining for the first time, if you are viewing this channel for the first time, this is Decor. You are welcome, and if you are new here, I would like you to hit the subscribe button because I'll be sharing interior design tips and many more. Alright, in today's video we are diving into the top luxury living room trends of 2025 that will definitely leave you speechless. I bet you don't want to miss this video. Alright, if you are looking for a way to make your home feel elegant, modern and timeless all at once, then you are in the right place. Just stay with me to the end because I'll be sharing one designer secret that can instantly elevate your living room without breaking the bank. Alright, before I move ahead, I just wanted to hit the subscribe button. Alright, thank you. Make sure you turn on the notification bell also. As we dive into these timeless furnitures, I really want you to take note of the following: that in 2025 people are not really using so much sophisticated designs. All that matters is simplicity. Okay, from hidden some hidden secrets are right in this video, and I would really love you to take note of them as I share some trends. There are many trends that we should take note of. The first trend I'll be sharing is the neutral luxury palette. With this trend, you can definitely give your room a calming vibe while still feeling expensive. You wanna know the secret? Okay, just add shades of the same color family to add depth without clutter. This way you can achieve the luxury palette. Okay, another trend I would love to share that will really blow up, that will leave your living room speechless, is the statement furniture. All right, this piece, you don't want to overcrowd your room with many items. You just have to focus on one or two bold pieces, a sculpture, a sofa, an oversized armchair, or a designer coffee table that doubles as an art. These pieces anchor the entire room, turn your living room into a gallery of elegance. Just try these tips and you will definitely be living in the 2025 trend. Okay, another trend I would like to share is the smart luxury tech. This trend, people just want to have a workspace in their home, because we are in the tech age, and believe me, people really want to have office space, workspace. If you are considering a living room, you could consider gaming system, in your sitting room. I want you to know that the modern luxury living room is no longer just about how it looks, but how it works for our lifestyle. And we are in the digital age, we are in the tech age. This should be put into consideration. Another beautiful trend, but before I share this trend, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Okay, if you really want me to continue, just hit the like button. Thank you for doing that, for supporting this video. I would also share the textured elegance. Okay, another big movement is textured elegance, which includes your curtain paired with velvet couches or marble coffee tables beside a bamboo armchair. These materials not only feel luxurious but also photograph beautifully, perfect for social media moments. In 2025, you could have a beautiful place to yourself to shoot your social media content if you are a content creator, and I think you should consider that. Also, we also have open space and minimalism. Okay, with this trend, you could have wide uncluttered layers with clean lines. All these are high in demand in this season, in this era that we have. Instead of filling every corner, leave breathing spaces that highlight the beauty of each design element. The emptiness itself becomes a statement of wealth and taste. Just imagine your living room, living it with spaces and all. It makes it looks more beautiful. All right, let me give you the bonus tip, the bonus trend. Okay, luxury is also becoming sustainable in 2025. I hope you know that. You could add some green luxury living rooms. These type are fast rising, they are fast rising, and I think you should consider that also. Think indoor plants. You could use eco-friendly furniture and natural lighting designs. It's about merging elegance with responsibility. All right, if this video has opened your eyes to various luxuries you could apply in 2025, I want you to hit the comment section. Let me hear your view and let me know which of these beautiful trend you will apply, which of them left you speechless. Let me hear your view in the comment section, and I would also want to know what would you like me to share in my next video. What kind of designs would you want me to share in my next video? You can also drop that in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video. This is Luminal Deco. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to always get every update whenever I drop new video. See you in my next video.